Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for this time, and for the chance I would like to explain or present my research. The title Psychosocial and Spiritual Determinant of Self-Regulation Readiness for Integrative Autosuggestion Based Hypertension Management by Psychosocial Spiritual Modeling Study. Okay, my name is Waidim. I'm from Universitas Negeri Semarang, between Universitas Muhammadiyah Tangerang. My research has background that hypertension remains a major challenges. More 1 billion adults worldwide live with hypertension. Requires long-term self-management. Self-regulation is essential, and psychosocial and spiritual needs remain underexplored. Still underexplored. So I find this research gap for this research. Limited evidence regarding biopsychosocial spiritual readiness among older adults with hypertension. So this study objective, I want to identify psychosocial and spiritual domain, and examine factors associated with self-regulation readiness, and provide an empirical foundation for the development of the RAPS model. For this method, on the study design cross-sectional study with 150 older adults in Banten Province, Indonesia. Then an analysis with exploratory factor analysis and SEM, structural equational modeling. For this study, in this 5 phase, analysis phase, need assessment, empirical mapping, and conceptual synthesis, and then birth of RAPS model. Main finding for EFI, 7 need domain identified for this visual, psycholysis, and relaxation need. Practical intervention need, social support deficit, spiritual acceptance, self-breath health, and readiness for self-regulation. Behavioral self-regulation difficult. This variant explain the 64.55%. This domain explain 64.55%. For structural model results, predictor of readiness only social need. This B and V like this. The key message only social support deficit significant affected to readiness of model. So for discussion, what this finding mean? I find older adult need. So I finding this older adult needs multidimensional support like this. Practical intervention are highly preferred, and social support is critical. Psychological and spiritual need remain relevant. Social support emerges as the key readiness determinant. So for this implication for RAPS model, need assessment, 7 need domain identified, conceptual synthesis, RAP development, not theory driven only but evidence informed. RAP emerged for empiris, assessment finding for this research like this. So can I say that RAP component based on our research, number 1, reframing, meaning making cognitive restructuring, revision, relaxation, stress reduction, affirmation, positive association, mental imagery, spirituality, acceptance, and inner peace like this. For conceptual synthesis, this is based on birth of RAP model like this. Next conclusion for this research. So I find the 7 need domain identified, social support deficit predict readiness, and finding support by psychosocial spiritual intervention development, and provide empirical foundation for RAPS model. So this is our conclusion of my research. Next, for this time I want to acknowledgement for this research. Yes, thank you very much for Beasiswa Pendidikan Indonesia, PDP, and Universitas Negeri Semarang, Universitas Muhammadiyah Tangerang, and all senior in Banten Provinsi. Thank you very much for this time, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.